Day 4. Here we are, Cloud9 School, Point of the Mountain, Draper, Utah. And pattern is full, Ghost Rider. Winds up. Early this morning I saw 14, maybe gusting to 15. And we'll probably be flying half mountain again. There's quite a crowd here today. Interesting. I hope that's an experienced pilot halfway down the hill. Wow. Anyway, looking forward to a good day out here. Got my brother Tom on dog watch. There's the hang glider setting up. This is the hang glider area from that stake down to about where I'm standing, where the sock is. That's where they launch. These guys just floating by. Paragliding. Alright, hopefully tomorrow we'll be up here. Look at all the kites, wings. Wow. It's windy. What you doing, Fox? Looking for your mama? Adios. Have a good day, everybody.